me. Now, you must have already gone through our previous videos and I'm sure you're already implying some of them. It's awesome to see that you have been commenting and letting us know how helpful our videos are to you. Thank you for doing that. But today let us talk some don'ts that you should probably watch while writing your exams. Stay tuned till the end and know what those mistakes are, and this will help you in scoring better as you are more aware of your mistakes. Let's dive in. Number 1. Not reading the marks section. Many students don't know this, but it is definitely very important to not only check the questions properly, but to also remember that you need to have a look at the marks section. By marks section, I mean to check how much marks each question carries. Why should you pay attention to the marks section? Well, this is because when you write for a particular question, you write it in such a way that you need to put all the information that you have regarding that particular question. And so, at times, you may even forget that the matter that you have been writing is about 2 pages, but the marks that it carries is just for 2 marks. Hence, you need to pay attention to the marks section, since doing this will save you a lot of time as well as energy, and will also help you to understand that all questions are different and they all need different ways of writing. Some might be on point, whereas some might be a little lengthy. Number 2. Leaving the easy answers for later. Most students, while writing the exam, assume that they can write the easy answers for later, since they would want to focus their time on writing the difficult answers, something that they barely know first. But the truth is, this is a tricky mistake to make, since by the time you realize you have wasted so much of your precious time in writing the difficult answers that it's time up. Friends, to avoid this panic, always write what you know first. Write all the easy answers first so that you have enough time also to think and write the difficult ones. Also, this kind of creates an impression that you are confident and not struggling to write the exam. In a way, it's a bonus point. Number 3. Bad writing towards the end. Have you also noticed that your handwriting is super amazing? Wait, don't be so happy. I meant super amazing just on the first 2 pages. The rest of the answer papers, you know how you write. Haha, don't worry. At times, it is very easy for us to write our answers in speed and we mostly forget the most important part, that is our writing. See, you have to understand that when an examiner is checking your answers, they wouldn't want to struggle and read what you have written. They would want their checking experience to be nice and easy. Hence, by having good handwriting, you're actually increasing your chances of getting better marks, since the examiner themselves are happy and not frustrated seeing your answer, and hence less efforts will be out from the examiner's point of view, which in turn will result in a good impression. Still struggling with writing well? Watch this video to know how you can write well. Oh, don't worry. This video has reached whopping million views. Watch it for the best handwriting practice. Number 4. Rechecking your answers. Most of your marks are left because you didn't focus much on rechecking your answers. I know you must be regretting the fact that you missed so many questions, maybe 1 or 2, but have you also missed out on an entire page of questions? What did you do then? You cried, you were frustrated. What next? Well, we are here to help you overcome all of that. Always remember to keep at least the last 5 minutes of your exam writing for rechecking your answers. Remember, you have to check if all the questions have been answered, each title along with the subheading, plus your question number, etc. This will definitely be beneficial and allow you to score better, and this will also help you in being less guilty. Number 5. Time. Yes, I know I should have mentioned this point earlier, but the last one is always the best one. Hence, to sum up all the previous mentioned points, time is something that covers it all. If you do not know how to manage your time well, then you definitely not be able to do well in your exam. Make sure you set good timings for each section. Before your exam starts, make sure you have in mind how much time you're allotted to each question. For example, 2 minutes for all the short answers, 4 minutes for all the long answers, at least 8 minutes for the compositions or grammars or even diagrams, etc. This will help you to manage your time, and hence you won't be missing out on your mark section time, nor writing all the difficult answers first, nor you will be having a bad handwriting, and by doing this you will also have enough time to recheck your answer paper. Done! Like I said, this tip covers all the other aspects. So friends, I'm sure this was a useful video. Do well in your exams by inculcating these tips. Thank you and all the very best.